ListViews are great. They let the user see or choose from a number of items that wouldn't normally fit on the screen. But sometimes an ordinary list view is too flat and boring. Fortunately, there's ListWheelScrollView, the totally radical cousin of ListView. This widget renders your list as if the items were placed on a cylinder in 3D. Instead of scrolling through a flat surface, the user is turning a wheel. Using this widget is almost as easy as using a regular list view. Just provide the items as children and the item extent. The item extent specifies the pixel height of each child. ListWheelScrollView has many other options. For example, you can tune the diameter of the wheel. You can make the wheel off-axis, or you can add a magnification effect. To learn more about ListWheelScrollView and all the other widgets, visit flutter.dev.